In today's video, I'm going to teach you add Shopify gift cards for purchase and send to recipients. By the end, you'll have a gift card product customers can buy on your store, complete with your own imagery, and Shopify will handle delivery of the unique gift card code by email. First, open your Shopify admin so you're on the main dashboard. From the left-hand menu, head into Products. This is where all store items live, and it's also where Shopify keeps gift cards, since they function like products that generate a balance your customers can spend later. Inside Products, go to the Gift Cards section. This dedicated area lets you create and manage gift card products separately from physical items. Click Add Gift Card Product to start a brand new gift card. This creates the product shell that customers will see on your storefront. Shopify automatically handles the behind-the-scenes code generation, and after purchase, sends the code by email. On the gift card product page, you'll see an image area highlighted at the top. Click that highlighted image placeholder to open your media options. Then choose Upload New to add your gift card artwork from your computer. Select a clear, on-brand image that represents gifting, something that looks good as a thumbnail and on the product page. If you have additional visuals, such as alternate images or a version optimized for different layouts, click the highlighted media area again and upload new as many times as you need. Repeat this process for each image you want to include, so customers get a polished, professional view of your gift card. When you're satisfied with your selections, click Done to confirm your media choices. With your images in place, finish up by selecting Save Gift Card Product. Saving publishes the new gift card product in your catalog, using the images you just uploaded. From here, customers can find the gift card on your store, add it to their cart, and check out like any other product. After purchase, Shopify emails the gift card code automatically. If your storefront collects recipient information during checkout, the email goes directly to the recipient. Otherwise, it's sent to the purchaser to forward on. That's all it takes. You went to Products, opened gift cards, created a new gift card product, uploaded your images by clicking the highlighted media area and using Upload New as needed, clicked Done, and saved. You now have a clean, branded gift card ready for customers to purchase and send. Thanks for watching, and enjoy offering gift cards